Alright, so at this point I'm just gonna get all the stuff out in one go. It's pretty cool. It comes with, what is this? Lucky card. Alright, well, hopefully we won't need a refund, because this stuff looks pretty good. This is sort of gummy looking, and feeling too. Cool, there's a whole bunch of these. I wonder if this is one of those Chinese traps. You stick your finger in it. No, I'm sure it's not. Maybe just a fidget toy with a marble that you sort of do this with. Man, this is going to be lots of fun. So you got two of these poppets here. One really big one, and this thing here that my friend Charles told me is really cool. And yeah, it does look pretty cool. It's a bundle of laughs and fun. Cool.
Likey.